recording.
All right, we're on Fairview. We're headed towards North Carolina 141. This road parallels US 74, US 129. It's to the right of us, about a half mile. But if you want to ride a twisty road, curvy road in North Carolina, instead of riding the 4-lane, this is going to be one of your options. There's another road, Airport Road, on the west side of 74. It's not as twisty as this road is. For you Harley owners out there that don't know how to ride a curve, this road, if you're out traveling this road, it's pretty nice. Once you get away from Andrews, it just keeps getting better. That road right there, Pisgah, that's another decent, fun little road to take to get you around Andrews. I need to go to the Pisgah Inn on the Blue Ridge Parkway. I haven't been there in a while. I hope their food is still as good. Yeah, I haven't been there since COVID. I hope their food is as good as it was before. There's the airport, if you need a clue to where we're at. The airport is to the right of us, on the other side of 74. Yes, that is the same airport that Fluffy's jet went off the runway. So, Gabriel Iglesias came to do a show at the casino, and when his plane landed, they had some mechanical problems or something, and his plane went off the runway there. That would be the Murphy Andrews Not International Airport. It's kind of a pathetic little airport, but a lot of famous people do fly into it to go to the casino. We're fortunate that we have two amazing casinos in our area. Just got a Gordon Ramsay's. I'm looking forward to eating at the Gordon Ramsay's restaurant and trying that beef Wellington. Gordon, if you're watching this and you want to send me a gift card to your restaurant so I can afford to eat the beef Wellington at $69, and the sides are a la carte at $14 per side, that gift card would be greatly appreciated. I'm just poor mountain folk. It's going to be hard to come up with $100 for a meal. If you don't think this is beautiful, you might own a motorcycle for the wrong reason. Over here on the left is a huge chicken farm. Right over there. See it? Chicken farm. It does not smell like chicken farm. It smells clean, fresh air. Some flowers are in bloom, so it smells pretty. liking the content, please hit that thumbs up button. I'm not sure if I get paid more or less for you hitting that thumbs up button, but YouTube does not pay a lot. I'll get a fraction of a cent for you watching this video. I hope YouTube drops some interesting commercials in the middle of the video for you. Commercials you like to watch. When I'm watching videos, the commercials are always dumb and do not pertain to anything that I do. I hope you're liking Fairview Road. If you're visiting Murphy, North Carolina, and you want to ride it, or you just want to go out on a ride with me, drop me a line in the comments. You can Google my username. It's pretty easy to find my email address. All the spammers know how to get it. This mountain over here on the right, that's the Cherokee County landfill. They do a really good job of keeping the smell down on it also. Cherokee County, North Carolina really is a nice place. Please take my word for that. There's a reason why I live here. Alright, we're coming up to North Carolina 141. Hey, if you like the content, please give me a thumbs up. This river that runs along here is beautiful too. This is Valley River, in case you're wondering. Thanks for watching. We're at the stop sign. I'm going to shut it down. Please watch some more of my other videos. I really appreciate it.